This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball offline on PC. Many players wonder if it's possible to enjoy the game without an internet connection, and the good news is you can. While eFootball is primarily an online experience, there is a dedicated mode that allows for local play against the computer or friends. This method provides a straightforward way to enjoy football action anytime, anywhere, once the game is installed. To begin your offline match, first ensure eFootball is fully installed on your PC. You will need an initial internet connection for the game download and any necessary updates. Once that is complete, launch the game. From the main menu, navigate to the Authentic Match section, typically found in the bottom left. Within this section, select the Trial Match option to set up your game. This is your gateway to playing without an active internet connection. In the Trial Match mode, you have several options to customize your experience. You can choose from a wide array of authentic clubs and national teams to play as or against the artificial intelligence. You can also adjust match settings like difficulty, stadium, and time of day. This mode supports up to 4 players locally, allowing for exciting head-to-head matches with friends on the same screen. It's perfect for casual play and honing your skills. While the offline trial match offers solid gameplay, it's important to note its limitations. Modes like Dream Team, My League, and online multiplayer require an active internet connection. However, for those seeking a simple, direct football experience against the computer or local opponents, the trial match is the ideal solution. Grab your controllers, pick your favorite teams, and enjoy the beautiful game without needing to be online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.